100 McNuggets in 10 minutes. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't think I could do it in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna try to hit it in 10 minutes, but my real goal is 30 minutes. And as well, I don't know if I can even eat all of them things just like that, bro. If I'm keeping it a band with y'all. Hold on, what? Look a Minions case? It's cool if they do it. I don't know if I do it. Fuck it. Y'all probably can't see 30 minutes on the timer. So the timer starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh my god. Whoa. No god, hiccups for a second. I ain't gonna go back to regular videos after this, boy. Fuck my legs, bro. Bro, I got hiccups, bro. I'm gonna lie. Houston, we have a problem. One box. Fuck. I should open all the sauces. I'm tweaking. I should have got a bev.
Why you got all these chicken nuggets?
It's a challenge. This is from my mom. I only got $8.99 in 30 minutes. Yeah, bun that 10 minutes. We're going for 30. Oh my god. Bro. I'm getting full, dog. You know what I realized, bro? My camera's gonna cut part way through this, bro. So I'm gonna have to get up. Or I'm gonna time it. This is about to be 2 boxes done. 2 boxes done. I have 22 minutes left. You know what? I'm gonna take the time to recuperate and open my sauces. I'm not gonna lie, the spicy habanero is alright, but I don't know. Sweet and sour is where it's at with the sauce. Oh god, what? I'm saving the special box last because it looks cool. Bro, I'm starting to get full, man. Bro, I am stressing, bro. But I don't even think I could eat this many chicken nuggets, bro. Word to I can't. This is literally PTSD, bro. Oh my god. There's no breaks though. There's no, oh man, there's no breaks, bro. 50 nuggets, 24 hours? Alright, bro. You see what I did to 40, bro? I punched 40, I was like, nothing. I'm gonna start getting full. Your stomach starts hurting. Things gonna go left, bro. Like, I actually don't want to eat another one. This is how you know McDonald's is not good. When I be cooking chicken at the crib, bro. One time I made this honey barbecue chicken, bro. But I diced up the chicken, kind of. I put it in, diced it in the cube, bro. I punished so much chicken. And like, my stomach wasn't hurting. I just got full. I got full, but even when I was full, I could have kept eating. But right now, boy, I'm telling you, boy, I'm struggling right now. I should have got someone to help me with this, bro. But fuck, Chad ain't in the hood yet. My brother's at work. I'm trying to solo squad this thing, man. Bro, am I about to quit already, bro? Like, I'm not trying to feel bad like last time, bro. I'm a lamb. I'm a lamb. Bamski. I'm probably go out there. Just... Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Nah. I don't even be burping like that for real, bro. That's raps. That's raps. Bro, I'm like halfway through calling it raps, bro. Yeah, I'm full, bro. I am full. I think if I had someone with me, I could have punished this. We could have punished this. Because I would have only had to eat 50, bro. And I probably ate around 50. I was like halfway. I'll eat 5 more and stop halfway, bro. Bro, see, I need to switch my content back up, bro. I'm gonna start filming hood vlogs again, bro. Fuck this shit, nigga. I'm the wall, bro. It's been your boy Trey Soldier. Like, comment, subscribe. Click this video popping up if you want to see me try a 10,000 calorie challenge. McDonald's only.